The important thing to understand is that what the Buddha was trying to do was to bring the human being, which is really a mixture of animal and the human being. The emotions are the animal part of the human being. Now there is a special sloka that is very useful to understand. Sloka is a Sanskrit verse. Ahara nidra bhaya maitunancha samanya metad pasubih naranam dharmo hitesa badiko viseso dharmena hinah pasubih samanah. This is a very interesting thing when you see the translation. Ahara means taking food, feeding. Nidra means sleeping. Bhaya means fear. Maituna means sexual activity. Taking food, sleeping, fear and sexual activity. These are things that human beings have in common with animals. That is what it says. This is what human beings have in common with animals. Then he says, Dharmo hi tesa madiko viseso. What is special about the human being is dharma. What is the meaning of dharma? Dharma is the ability to think and reason out and be able to identify what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. That is the dharma. That ability is the ability of the brain, thinking brain, which is called mano. Dharmena hina pasubik samana. One who is low in that thinking part is like an animal. That's what that sloka says. So in other words, the important teaching of the Buddha is to bring the human being to grow above or transcend that animal nature and become fully human. That was the teaching of the Buddha, that we have to get rid of this animal nature. And it is this animal nature that the Buddha called lobha, dosa and moha. Three things. In translation is lust, hate and delusion. The delusion is the idea of self. So we have to get rid of the lust, the hate and the thought I am. That is the selfishness. We have to overcome this selfishness and then only we rise above the animal and become fully human.